We can't talk about New Orleans jazz without mentioning a style of music closely related to jazz, called the blues. The blues developed out of work songs and spirituals sung by enslaved African Americans in the Mississippi Delta. Because of the painful history of slavery in the United States, blues songs often entail stories of hardship and were performed in ways that are deeply expressive and emotional. It didn't take long for instrumentalists to adopt blues vocalists' expressive singing styles, which led to musicians bending and sliding and growling on their instruments to create what are known as blue notes. Say horn section, do you think you can demonstrate what blue notes sound like on your instruments?
Yeah.
And for you at home, if you're hearing anything that calls out to you, feel free to respond and sing back what you hear.